Raghu here, you are watching Raghu View. Friends, today I am going to show you one fantastic evening time snack which you can prepare within 5 minutes, and this snack anybody can like and eat. Kids, even elders, anybody can like and eat, and you can prepare within 5 minutes. Without wasting time, come friends, let's go to the video. Friends, actually I am really thanking you because I got a nice response for previous videos. Thank you for that responses, and I am really thankful to you because I didn't believe this much of response from my viewers. Friends, now let's start this snack. Friends, now I am arranging groundnuts into this. Friends, I added masala peanuts. If you don't have these peanuts, you can take a normal peanut and fry that, and after that add this salt and chili powder. Now this was a masala peanut which I was brought. So to this I am adding carrot, and now I added carrot. Now in this I am taking onions. See friends, if you want more onions you can add as per your taste. I use this much of onions. Arrange this. Now I arrange onions into this. If you want more onions, you can add. And now I am taking tomatoes. Friends, onions and tomatoes are nicely chopped. Now in this position I am adding tomatoes. Tomatoes also, if you want more, you can add as per your taste. Now this was finished. In this stage I am adding cucumber into this. Friends, cucumber is a optional. If you want you can add, but I like this snack with cucumber. Friends, the style which I am making are 5-star hotel style. In hotels they do like this only, they will not mix it. If you want you can mix this like a bel puri. And now the final stage, I am sprinkling a last sprinkle of coriander leaves. Yes, if you want more coriander leaves you can add, but I like this much of coriander into this. This was nicely sprinkled. Last but not least, take half lemon, add a lemon juice into this, drop by drop, half lemon. Friends, for this I didn't add any salt or chili powder into this because I added a masala peanuts. But as for my taste, I am adding just a pinch of salt. If you want more salt, you can add as per your taste, but I am adding just a pinch of salt to this. Friends, a fantastic evening snack is ready. Friends, please follow me on Instagram, FB page, Twitter. Links are given in a below description. Friends, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Bye. See you in the next videos. Enjoy.